Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel with me and so on. In today's video guys we'll be working on the Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont guys in the rest of the world. Let me show you what we'll be doing today. We'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace the windshield washer reservoir. Okay, this thing right here, we're gonna pull it out and show you how to remove it. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, more than 200 videos, so please subscribe, quite a few videos will be made. And all the tools and parts will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let's start on it now. So, we'll remove the airbox out first. Okay, that will be the first procedure. What I'll do, okay, right here. Okay, we're going to disconnect, okay, these holes. This one will be the first step. Okay, you can see just like that. Now, with 8mm guys, we're going to remove a few bolts. Okay, that clamp, get that one loose. Okay, we're going to pull the lid up in a second. Okay, and remove the filter. Okay, like that. You can see this is the first step. Next guys, okay, definitely need to clean here a little bit. Next we're going to get a bag and cover our intake boot so that way we don't drop anything inside of it or get dust. Okay, just like that. You can see now right here we need to remove that bolt on top. Okay, right here. This is one of them. Okay, perfect. Next right here, okay, down there, there is one more bolt. And this one is with 8, I think. Looks like it's an 8mm socket that we'll need to remove. You can see it's holding there. So let's get the extension quick so we can reach it. Okay, I'm trying to focus here. You can see that's where the bolt is located. Okay, it looks like it's loose now. Okay, nothing else holding. We need to remove that clip now here. Okay, with the clip removal too. Okay, you can see this thing is actually pretty tight. Okay, now let's see if it's going to come out. Okay, and lift the box out of the way, just like that. So now we need to disconnect the wires. Perfect. Now we need to disconnect all the cables. One. Okay, now we have one more there. So let me see this one. Okay, you use that thing, lift it up and pull it out. Okay, this is kind of like a Volkswagen plug. Okay, perfect. Now 8mm socket, 2 bolts, screws actually, and one right here. Perfect. And we just dropped our socket there. Now, disconnect the hoses. Okay, like that. We need to pull up. Okay guys, and now next we get a bucket here guys. Okay, we're going to empty the tank. Perfect. Now we will leave this one out. Let me show you what now you need to do, guys. Okay, right here now you have two options. You can disconnect the hoses or you can pull the pump. Okay, so this pump goes this way now. Okay, and then you pull it out. Just don't twist it too much because you're going to break it. I think it's breakable. And that's how you guys remove it. So that's how you remove and replace the windshield washer reservoir, guys. Check out the description for the parts and tools that we use. You can find where we get our new one. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.